Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make public profile on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. So once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to click on the gear icon on the top right. Here you need to scroll down, and here you can see view my story. Here you need to select everyone. Okay, then you need to go back and click on spotlight reply settings. Then you need to click on auto approve everyone. So basically you need to select this, check this all options and select to everyone. Okay, once you've done that, you simply need to go back onto your profile. Then you simply need to scroll down, and here you can see create public profile option. Click on that, click on continue, click on get started, click on create. So it will take few seconds, and now you can see that your public profile is created. So this is a process by which you can create public profile on Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.